Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and I hope you're doing awesome today. And today I shall be unboxing the Mi Mix 2 from Xiaomi, one of the bezel-less phone that I actually pretty like the design. Anyways, let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now yes, as you probably know from the intro of this video, this is the unboxing of the Mi Mix 2S here. And if you've already seen my video of the Mi Mix 2, or if you have a Mi Mix 2, the box is exactly the same. It's got that Mi up front there, and you know, the specifications and the labels and all of that on the back. On opening up the box here, you can actually see a nice handwritten letter or note by Lei Jun, who is the CEO. To truly explore is to exhaust countless possibilities. For an inch of progress, we're willing to walk miles. So deep, so very deep. Yeah, so on removing that, and we've got the phone itself there, as well as a USB Type-C cable and a charger which actually supports fast charge. On removing it there's actually another compartment that contains the case. It's got a case here which is very, very nice. It's got manuals which you're never going to read, and it's also got like a USB-C to 3.5mm cable there, because this does not come with its own headphone jack, which is a pity, but yes, 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, that's basically been all that comes in the box of the Mi Mix 2S here. And on taking a look at the Mi Mix 2S, and it actually feels really, really nice. It feels very solid there. Now, I mean, a major complaint I have is that yes, this is a fingerprint magnet here, but apart from that, it's a very, very solid phone. It's got that 5.99-inch display up front there, which is also nearly bezel-less, except for the camera, which is at the bottom right again. Oh my god, which means that your selfies are probably going to, you know, look very horrible, especially in apps like Instagram and Snapchat. But yes, that has basically been it for the unboxing of the Mi Mix 2S here. A very, very nice looking device, feels very, very good as well. Very, 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 very. And for price, I would say, you know, this, well, before pricing specification, this comes with a Snapdragon 845, 6 GB of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and you know, this nice ceramic back here, which is actually standard. It didn't used to be standard before, but now it's a standard, which is pretty nice. And for price here in Malaysia, it retails for 1,999, which I shall be converting on screen right now. And for that price, I think it's a very, very good price. It depends on if you actually like the position of the camera on the bottom right here. But that's basically been it for the unboxing. A huge shout out to the folks over at Mi Malaysia and Arif Communications. Now, what videos do you want me to make about this phone? I think I've got a few phones here. I've got the HTC U12 Plus, I've got the Sony Xperia XZ2, I've got the Oppo R15 Pro, the Asus Zenfone 5. So which devices do you want me to compare it against? Please let me know in the comment section down there below. And that's basically been it for this video. I hope you liked it. Hope you're taking care of yourself, and I shall catch you in the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.